Good morning and welcome to the E-class of St. Xavier's High School, Adipur. Today, we are going to study Science of Standard 7, chapter number 4, that is Heat, part 1. Let us see about the temperature. See, we are living in a country where we are having different kinds of season. Okay, that is summer, winter, monsoon. So, do we wear the same kinds of clothes? No, we wear different types of clothes. In winter, we wear woolen clothes, and in summer, we wear cotton clothes. Why we wear woolen clothes in winter? Because in our surrounding, the temperature is very low. That is very cool temperature. Okay, and what will happen if we will not wear woolen clothes? Then our body will become cold. Okay, and that's why to maintain our body temperature, we wear woolen clothes. Same as we wear cotton clothes in summer. In summer, our surrounding has lot of heat. Okay, so our body temperature doesn't increases, so we wear cotton clothes to keep our body temperature normal. Let us see the introduction. We wear woolen clothes during winters and it is cold outside. Woolen clothes keep us warm. We prefer to wear light colored cotton clothes when it is hot. These give us a feeling of coolness. Every time we cannot always rely on our sense of touch. So we can't touch every time the things so that we can come to know that it is cold or it is cool or hot. Okay, we can't put our hand or the finger inside the boiling water to touch, okay, or the milk, that how much it is cold or hot. Okay, so we need an instrument or a device. Okay, so that device name is thermometer. Let us see what is thermometer. First we will see the temperature. This is the definition of the temperature. In 1 mark it can be asked. A reliable measure of the hotness of an object in its temperature. Temperature is measured by a device called thermometer. Okay, so this is very important definition which can come in 1 mark. Let us see the clinical thermometer. There are two types of thermometer. First is clinical thermometer, second is laboratory thermometer. Clinical thermometer is used for the measuring of our body temperature, okay, which is used in our clinics, that is in the hospitals. Okay, that's why it is known as clinical thermometer. The clinical thermometer that measures our body temperature is called clinical thermometer. A clinical thermometer consists of a long, narrow, uniform glass tube. There is no zigzag. Okay, it is a uniform. Okay, it has a bulb at one end. This bulb contains mercury. Okay, outside the bulb, a small shining thread mercury can be seen. In that bulb, there is one shiny material is there, and that is the mercury. The scale we use in this scale, Celsius, that is Celsius scale, which is indicated by degree C. The clinical thermometer reads temperature from 35 degrees Celsius to 42 degrees Celsius. We can also measure our body temperature in the Fahrenheit. See, this is a clinical thermometer which is measured in degree Celsius. So you can see over here that the 35 degrees Celsius, okay, from the 35 degrees Celsius, 42 degrees Celsius, okay, this is 42 degrees Celsius. From 35 to 42 degrees Celsius is the range of the clinical thermometer, okay, and here it is the bulb in which the mercury is present, and this bulb is used to measure the temperature. Okay, now there is a kink over here. There is a kink over here which doesn't allow the mercury level to come back, okay, as we remove from our body. In the laboratory thermometer, what happens that if we remove the thermometer from an object which we are measuring, then it will come, the mercury level will come down because there is no kink in the laboratory thermometer. Here there is kink in the clinical thermometer, which doesn't allows the temperature to get down, the mercury level to get down. Okay. Now, by the help of the kink, what will happen? We will be having the exact temperature as we will remove it from our mouth. Suppose we have put it in the mouth. Suppose this is a thermometer and we have put it into our mouth. If there is no kink, then gradually the mercury level will come down. And if it is having a kink, so what will happen? That the mercury level will maintain as you will remove it from our body. Okay. Now, whenever we measure our body temperature from the clinical thermometer, we have to see that it is on the 35 degree Celsius. Okay, that is the normal. Okay, it should start from the 35 degrees Celsius, the mercury level. It should not be anywhere else. It should be at the starting point of it. And we have to, after using it, we have to just put a jerk, okay, so that the mercury level gets back to its position so that we can use it for the next time properly. Reading a thermometer. Wash the thermometer preferably with an antiseptic solution. If you ever visited the hospital, if you ever seen or observed that the doctor's thermometer has been put into some beaker type like structure, okay, that is having an antiseptic solution, so that what will happen, no bacteria can enter into that. Okay, we have to hold it firmly and give it a few jerks. Okay, the jerks will bring the level of mercury down, and we have to ensure that it should be below 35 degrees Celsius. Now, place the bulb of the thermometer under your tongue. Okay, this is the tongue, under that. Okay, after 1 minute, take the thermometer out and note the reading. This is the body temperature. Okay, the temperature should always be stated with its unit, that is degrees Celsius. The normal temperature of the human body is 37 degrees Celsius. Okay, this can be asked in 1 mark, that write the normal, what is the normal body temperature, that is 37 degrees Celsius. The temperature of every person may not be 37 degrees Celsius. It could be slightly higher or slightly lower. Actually, what we call normal temperature is the average body temperature of a large number of healthy person. How we came to the average, that is 37 degrees Celsius? The scientists took a lot of people's body temperature. Okay, so it was on an average 37 degrees Celsius. So it can be little more or it can be little less. Then also it is the normal. Okay, but average body temperature is 37 degrees Celsius. Okay, the clinical thermometer is designed to measure the temperature of human body only. It cannot be used for any other purpose. It is only measured for the human body temperature measurement, not any other animal also, and not about the room temperature measurement also. The temperature of human body normally does not go below 35 degrees Celsius or below or above 42 degrees Celsius. So 35 से कम भी नहीं होगा, 42 degrees Celsius से ज़्यादा भी नहीं होगा. That is the reason that this thermometer has the range 35 degrees Celsius to the 42 degrees Celsius. There is one precaution. Avoid keeping the thermometer in the sun or near the flame because it can break. Okay. Precautions to be observed while reading a clinical thermometer. Thermometer should be washed before and after the use. Okay, preferably with the antiseptic solution. Ensure that before use the mercury level, before the use, the mercury level should be in the 35 degrees Celsius. Read the thermometer keeping the level of mercury along the line of the side. So the thermometer should be in our front of our eyes. It should not be below our eyes. It should not be upper of our eyes. It should be having the same level. Okay, so that we get the perfect reading of the body temperature. Handle the thermometer with care. If it against the some hard object, it can break. अगर वो मर्क्यूरी किधर टच हो जाएगा हार्ड ऑब्जेक्ट के थ्रू, then what will happen? It can break. Okay, don't hold the thermometer with the bulb while reading it. So from the tip of it we should not touch. Okay, from the back side only we should touch the thermometer. Laboratory thermometer. The temperature of the other objects is measured by the laboratory thermometer. Thermometer is generally from -10 degrees Celsius to 110 degrees Celsius. This is the range which can be asked. This is very important and can be asked in 1 mark. Also in the difference also. See, this is the thermometer of the laboratory thermometer. See here -10 degrees Celsius and here 110 degrees Celsius is measured. Here we can tie the thread, okay, so that we can put it into a stand and it remains steady for measuring the temperature. Here there is a bulb, okay, at the tip there is a bulb which measures the temperature, and in the bulb there is a mercury, okay, which by the help of the mercury we measure the temperature. And in this laboratory thermometer there is no kink, because wherever when we will take out the thermometer it will show the temperature of the surrounding. Let us see the next thing more in detail about the laboratory thermometer. How to use the laboratory thermometer? We have to dip the thermometer in water or any kind of solution. Okay, here I have taken the example of the water, but we can dip into the any solution which we want to measure its temperature. So the bulb is immersed in water but does not touch the bottom or the sides of the container. जो उसका end of the container है उसको टच नहीं करना है, ना ही sides को टच करना है, just dip करना है solution के अंदर. Hold the thermometer vertically. We have to hold the thermometer vertically. और हमारा clinical thermometer we have to hold it horizontally. Okay, and laboratory thermometer vertically. If we measure the thermometer and we remove the thermometer out of the water, the level of the mercury begins to fall. So it is necessary to measure the temperature when the thermometer is dipped in the solution. Okay. Let us see the precautions should be taken while using the thermometer. While reading a clinical thermometer, the laboratory thermometer, it should be kept upright. Okay, tilted नहीं होना चाहिए, and it should not be in the slant form. It should be carried in the straight position, upright position. Bulb should be surrounded from all sides by the substance of which the temperature is measured. The bulb should not touch the surface of the container. So उसका जो end part है वो touch नहीं होना चाहिए. Okay, उसका only the solution should be dipped. Okay, only the thermometer should be dipped in the solution. वो container को touch नहीं होना चाहिए. The mercury does not fall or rise in a clinical thermometer when taken out of the mouth. The kink prevents mercury level from falling on its own. This is the precaution. This is the measures. This is the other points which make the thermometer of the clinical different from the laboratory thermometer. There is a lot of concern over the use of the mercury in the thermometer. Mercury is a toxic substance and is very difficult to dispose of. Okay, so the thermometer which is in which the mercury is there, okay, if it breaks in our mouth, so what will happen? It, as the mercury is very toxic, it is poisonous, it can enter in our body. So by the concern of anyone's health, okay, we should not, nowadays the thermometer have come which are digital, in which the mercury is not present. Okay, so nowadays digital thermometers are available which do not use the mercury. So by this we understood about the temperature and its measurement with the device, okay, from which we can come to know the temperature. Okay, so there are two kinds of thermometer, laboratory thermometer and clinical thermometer. Clinical thermometer is used to measure our body, whereas a laboratory thermometer is used to measure the surrounding. Okay, so this was all about this part. We will learn next. In next part, we will learn more about the heat. So thank you everyone. Have a nice day.